Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making very easy and simple chicken cheese sandwiches. We're going to start off by adding oil to a pan on medium heat, and we're going to add some 1-inch chopped ginger. I'm now adding half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/3 teaspoon of allspice powder, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, make sure to mix everything well, and I'm adding 1 cup of boiled shredded chicken. You can add some salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of chili sauce or sriracha. And 1 medium sliced onion. Now I'm adding about 1/4 cup of water. We're going to put the lid on and let everything cook for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/3 of a teaspoon of crushed coriander, 1/4 of a cup of sliced green onion, and 1/4 of a cup of fresh coriander. Finally, I'm adding half a teaspoon of white pepper. This is optional. And 2 teaspoons of ketchup. We're going to give everything a final mix, and your mixture is ready for sandwiches. I'm using white bread for my sandwiches today. You guys can use any type of bread you have. I'm going to place the chicken mixture onto the bread, add a little bit of cheese, and put another slice on top. To toast the sandwiches, I'm using a sandwich maker. If you guys do not have a sandwich maker, you can definitely make this on the grill or the stove. I'm just using a sandwich maker because it's able to seal up the sides very well. After adding some butter, I'm going to place my sandwiches in the sandwich maker. These normally take about 1 to 2 minutes. Our sandwiches are ready. As you can see, the butter gives it a beautiful golden brown color. Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps and make the rest of my sandwiches. As you can see, this recipe is super simple to make and only requires a handful of ingredients. You can choose any mixture to go inside your sandwiches. I just like the chicken mixture because it's very easy and simple to make. I hope you guys will try this recipe. Please do let me know how it was in the comments below. I also want to thank everyone for supporting my channel and liking my videos. As always, I'll see you in my next video.